Flect AI is one of the best just released AI software solutions, and today we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to the world of AI or just curious about this specific tool, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how it works and whether it's right for you. Stay tuned to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, you might be wondering, what exactly does Flect AI do? Well, it's a cutting-edge AI tool designed to streamline workflows and supercharge productivity. Whether you're running a business or managing personal projects, this software leverages AI to automate tasks, saving you valuable time. Flect AI is designed to take complex processes and break them down into simple, efficient steps. This allows you to focus on what really matters, growing your business or personal success. Now, what sets Flect AI apart from other software out there? For one, it's all about versatility. Unlike many AI tools that are confined to specific niches, Flect AI is highly adaptable and works across a wide range of industries. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or even customer service, Flect AI can be molded to meet your specific needs. Its flexibility is one of the reasons it's gaining so much attention in the AI space. Another big plus is how easy it is to use. When you're first starting with new software, the last thing you want is a steep learning curve. Thankfully, Flect AI is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you can start using it right away, thanks to its intuitive interface. The onboarding process is smooth, and you'll be up and running in no time. One feature you'll likely appreciate is its ability to integrate with other tools. Flect AI doesn't just work in isolation, it's built to connect with your existing workflows. From email marketing software to project management tools, Flect AI plays well with others, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to streamline their tech stack. But of course, no software is perfect, and Flect AI is still relatively new. While it's packed with powerful features, some users have mentioned that certain functionalities could use a little more fine-tuning. However, this is expected from new software, and knowing how quickly the development team has been rolling out updates, it's safe to say this won't be a problem for long. Another area where Flect AI excels is in its customizability. If you need a specific feature, you can work with the development team to create a tailored solution. This level of personalization is something that's hard to come by in the world of AI software, and it's a big plus for businesses with unique needs. Now let's talk about price. Flect AI offers a free trial so you can test it out for yourself without committing. It's rare to find high-quality AI software that lets you try before you buy, and this gives you the opportunity to see if it's the right fit for your needs before investing any money. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Flect AI offers great value, especially considering its robust feature set. If you're interested, you can try Flect AI completely free through the first link in the description below. But don't go just yet, because we're about to wrap up with some key takeaways. I've tested a lot of AI software over the years, and after using Flect AI, I can confidently say it's one of the top contenders in the market right now. It's versatile, user-friendly, customizable, and comes with the added benefit of a free trial, which makes it worth exploring. If you're looking for a way to make your work easier and more efficient, Flect AI could be the solution you've been waiting for. Remember, I've also included my recommended AI software options in the description below, ones I've personally used and vetted after trying thousands. These are the tools that have helped me grow my digital marketing strategies, and I think they'll help you too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those links below.